Lights, camera, action. Let's get this thing started, baby. Yo, what is up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr20west in the building. Yeah, I think tonight I'm just gonna, take my little time and, this is my first vlog in my vlogging area. You see that? Did you see that? That's how I'm doing it. That's how I'm kicking it this year. Okay, so tonight's project is basically taking the stuff, all the junk that is on this air flight helmet, and putting it on my old GT Alliance hard helmet. Why am I going back to this one? Is because it's the OG like helmet, bro. Like, it's weathered every storm that has ever been. It's battle tested like a mofo. And the only problem with it is it needs a neck pad. And of course, T reached out to freaking Icon and asked them about the neck pad, and they were just like, they took it to a whole nother level and then send this bad boy. But really, I just needed neck pads for that. I love Icon for doing that though. Like, y'all are amazing, and I love y'all like family. Like, for real. Like, it's real love. Like, not none of that fake love. You feel me? Real love. And yeah. So this air flight helmet, I've been having so much trouble with it. It's a monster. Okay. Good with airflow. Don't get me wrong. It's the best thing in the world, airflow wise. But I've had bad luck with it. Like, I keep hitting my freaking, look. Okay, so this is my GoPro. I done hit my GoPro off of this helmet a total of almost, hold on. Let me make sure that I'm in frame. Okay, yeah, totally in frame. Your boy is his own cameraman. T trying to, no, don't help me, T, because, okay, I got to do this by myself, okay? Thank you, love you, long time. Coconut. And so, with that being said, this air flight, I even added this little tether on there. Let me see if I can show you this tether. This tether right here is this helmet is why I have this tether, because I keep knocking it off, and I'm worried that it's just gonna fly off again like it did on the expressway a couple days ago. I'm fortunate enough to have two Icon helmets that are just dope as hell, so I'm just gonna switch everything. By everything, I'm gonna show you all the stuff that I'm taking off this helmet. T, was the yellow card that I got, was that the 128? You gave me 128 back? Yeah. Oh, okay, it was in the box, not on top of that. Anyway, sorry y'all. What I'm doing tonight is, like I said, taking everything off his helmet. I'm gonna show you what everything is though. So first step is getting the GoPro off, because it's stuck on his arm. Okay, boom. Let me turn off this vlogging phone so I can pay you all my attention. I want you to have all my attention. Turn on this think light. You asking me, yo, what is all that junk on your desk? It's a phone charger right here. Boom. I don't know why I got that. Lee Freisen, which is my attorney. Anytime you're in any type of accident, my boy Lee Freisen, he done came through multiple times, because people be hating on me in the streets. Of course, Mr20west card. Boom. Shout out to Mountain Motorsports. Boom. I think it's the one off Cobb Parkway. Shout out to them. I don't know why I got that transitional lens. That's my eye people. They're cool. Boom, boom. Don't worry about that. I know we're not worried about that. Motor style cards. Of course I got some. Wait. This not motor style. This is a fan favorite. Shout out to fan favorite, because you know I love y'all. I love y'all to death, bro. Yeah. Y'all my people for real. Family first. Seriously. Motor style, because you know I got one. You know your boy gonna have a motor style ticket. This is my old one when I was TiVo City card. I used to pass this out to everybody I wanted to ride with. So if you was like real cool, I'd be like, hey man, take a card, bro. Hit me up so we can ride out. Now I don't do that too much. Because I don't ride as often, and people just be weird sometimes. Okay. Yep. And then this is the new South card. Like I said, I don't pass these out a lot. I should, just to people that like are really cool, and I feel like they would like be cool with you. Everybody's cool. P's and Q's. You already know, Miss Model. That's all I'm gonna say, Miss Model. Nitty Gritty Photography. Boom, bam. Of course, I'm gonna have Nitty's card. Of course. Boom. And James E. Williams commercial cleaner. I don't even know. I don't know. I'm sorry. Like, he probably is a good cleaner. I don't know where I got this from. I'm not gonna lie to you. So, boom. Anyway, back on to what we're doing. Alright, this arm ordered off of eBay, $5. It already came fixed up like this, okay? I don't even need the bottom part of this mount. I want y'all to understand that when you mount your GoPro on your helmet, you need to know that you should use a curve mount. The reason it didn't work on this helmet, or the reason I feel like it didn't work, is because A, I didn't clean the spot. Which the first time I didn't clean the spot. The second time I cleaned it with an alcohol swab, but I still hit the helmet at some point and knocked the GoPro off. And yeah. Anyway, make sure you got a curve mount so it can fit your helmet. A lot of people mount theirs on the side. I like mine in front because I like you to feel like you're right there with me in this crazy world. And on the hard helmet, I got the mount right here. In front, just, I don't know, I didn't even like guesstimate. Ooh, got a piece of beard there. I didn't even guesstimate where to put this. I just knew in my mind where to put it at. So if people hate the like view I got going on, it's because I guesstimated on there. You know, everybody guesstimate. You wake up guesstimating. You know what you're gonna do for your day. Boom, bam, helmet ready. Now I'm just playing. All right, so we got the arm on there. Inside the Airflight helmet, of course, I have my Cena 10C. I wouldn't like, why do everybody who motovlogs has a 10C? The reason everybody has a Cena 10C or a Cena period on their helmet is because Cena is very convenient in talking to other bikers when you're out there. They even have a thing that fits on the back of your GoPro where you can use the audio from your Cena and you don't need another microphone, as you about to see when I show you how I got my audio to this GoPro, because you won't just get audio just for putting on your helmet and you just riding around talking. It won't go to the GoPro and you're gonna be upset. The Cena 10C is a very good thing. It says it runs 1080, but most of the time I get it to go at 720. For some reason it just downgrades to 720 every time it's on my helmet. This Cena I done had for like 4 years. 4 years? Maybe 3. I done had this Cena for 3 years. I done had it through 3 thunderstorms. And the reason I say 3, I've been through a lot more storms with this Cena, but those 3 were so like crazy. Cause the Cena stopped working for like 2 weeks, cause people was telling me that it's cause it's not waterproof, it's water resistant. And even then it can't really withstand water. Haha to you folks. Guess what? It lasted, yeah. Yeah. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. I'm knocking on the desk. I'll knock on the desk. Yep, so now I gotta mount that on the side of my helmet. I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive they got that video of mounting this on a helmet, so I'm just gonna skip past that. I'm just gonna fast forward it. I can do that.
80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Alright, so we're back, and with that being said, the part that I hooked up on the side right here, this is really important to put your cedar on so you can make sure that it can clamp in, because you don't want to stretch the wire, this wire here, because if you stretch the wire, it's a chance that you won't hear nothing because your audio done messed up, because your cord part messed up. This part right here, let's see, make sure the camera is, it's a part right, let me see if I can do that. Okay, this part right here, it's an adapter. This adapter allows audio to ooh. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I like that little thing over there. That's cool. This adapter allows me to get audio through these things because the freaking Cena's headphones are garbage. They're trash. So yeah. The adapter, I believe, is like $50.